Here's how the data migration from merging Jira Service Management instances goes. First, create a Migration Wizard account. Go to app.helpdeskmigration.com and sign up. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or fill in your work email and confirm it in your inbox. Then you can set up your demo migration or discuss concierge data migration. Let's click on Start Demo Migration and set up free demo data transfer. Now choose Jira Service Management as your source platform. Provide your URL, username, and API token. Check for step-by-step instructions under each field. Next, choose a source service desk you want to transfer. Note that Migration Wizard moves by default data only from one project in demo migration and in full migration. So you need to set up as many demo and full migrations as projects you want to import to a new project management tool. If you want to migrate several projects in one full migration, contact our support team for more detail. After that, connect your target Jira Service Management platform the same way as the source account. Also, pay attention to the pre-migration steps you need to do in your target account. Then, select a target service desk and issue type. Now, it's time to handpick the data you want to import. The supported records list covers everything from users, organizations, customers, issues, categories, folders, to contents. The Migration Wizard goes the extra mile by effortlessly importing all related data to tickets and articles, ensuring a seamless transition. Let's dive into the next step, data mapping. Ensuring a smooth journey is simple with the Match Items feature for users. If the source and target Jira SM accounts share the same users, our tool automatically matches them for you. No need to fret over inactive, deleted, or unassigned agents. We've got you covered. You can easily reassign their tickets to a selected default user on a target account. Click Save Matching to proceed confidently. Up next is issue mapping. Here, you'll skillfully map fields from a source Jira SM account to a target one, both default and custom fields. Need extra magic? Create corresponding custom fields on a target Jira Service Management account while mapping. Simply choose a needed custom field and click Add the same field in Jira Service Management. You will find this custom field at the bottom. The best part: system fields get mapped automatically, making the process even smoother. When you're satisfied with your mappings, hit Save to unleash the settings power. Now let's embark on a journey through article fields. Focus on mapping the status fields with care. Finally, press Save and unveil the world of automated options. With a range of built-in customization options at your disposal, you're in control. Skip attachments to speed up migration, add new tags to migrated tickets for organization, and even migrate inline images as attachments, making the transition effortless. Or you can try out a demo with custom data for issues and contents. If you need additional customization or automation options, our support team is just a message away. Now, let's dive into the demo migration. Click Continue to start the process, and our tool will transfer 20 random issues and articles from your current Jira account to a target one during this demo migration. Once the demo migration is complete, a table with detailed reports awaits you. Check the migrated, failed, and skipped records to ensure a successful migration. Verify the accuracy of migrated ticket and article ID, comparing the source and target seamlessly. Satisfied with the demo results? It's time to choose the support package that suits your needs. After a successful payment, return to the Migration Wizard dashboard. Review the checklist, and with a click, initiate the full data migration, transferring all your data from a source Jira SM account to a target one. Experience the sheer ease of merging Jira instances with the Migration Wizard. Embrace a new era of efficient migration, bidding farewell to complexities. Get started now to unlock the full potential of a unified Jira SM platform.